Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today, I'm going to finish up this angel I'm making for a friend. His wife died not too long ago. On the front, it's a picture of an angel with a dove that I burnt. And on the back, it reads, "Death leaves a heartache that no one can heal, but love leaves a memory that no one can steal." All right. By the way, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to wood burn. So cue the time lapse. Okay, I got my wood burner set to 240 degrees Celsius. I'm going to do on the face and neck, I'm just going to do a really light burn. So that's what I'm doing next. Then we'll get into the robe. But the face and neck is next. Okay, I got the gown outlined now. So I don't know what I'm going to do down here where the pen's smeared, but I'll figure something out. So now I'm going to switch to my spoon shader and get this shaded in. Alright guys, it's dark now, so I'm providing my own light. So just me and the moths out here now. I got my spoon shader bit loaded, and I'm going to be burning at 454 degrees Celsius. We're just going to shade in the gown. All right, so back to time lapse. Alright guys, now I'm waiting on my tool to cool off to 245 degrees Celsius. Then I'm going to burn the last section, which is going to be her foot. I'm going to do it a light tan color. I got the light turned off right now because the bugs are horrible. So, but after that, she'll be done. I'll just have to sign it in Sharpie. Alright guys, well, she's done now. All I got to do is sign her when I get back inside here in a minute. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button if you liked what you saw, both of which would really help me out. Spread the word about my work. Alright, if you like my wood burning and my older carving videos, spread the word about my videos. Send links to your friends. Alright, help me grow as a YouTube creator. Alright, but anyhow, that's all for that bit. I love you guys. Y'all are awesome. And as always, until next time, keep on carving and burning. Peace.